Hi everyone, I just want to work through a quick video with you on how to do your homework in a group. Okay, so you have to do this in a group format. So this is the Advanced English homepage. When you log in, you'll be able to go here. You'll see Getting Started and Useful Resources. We're going to use this dictionary, so I'm going to open this in a new tab just for the moment. Okay, you'll be able to see it here. Now I want to work through this here. It's called Topic 1 Sample. Now basically you'll have 5 topics and your group has to upload this together. Okay, so 3 people in your group. So you can click on Add a New Discussion Topic. Now here you can give it a title. I'm going to give it a sample topic. Is maybe let me see, Paris. Okay, sample topic Paris, because the story is that one. Now I've got to put in 3 things here, and I already have this prepared, but I want to put in a link, colon, and I'm going to enter that. I'm going to put a link here. Now I have to click on this link button here, and I have already copied it, so I'm going to paste my link in here, and there is my link. It should be nice and orange. I'm going to bold the link. Now I'm going to write down story. Again, what I want to do here is I'm going to copy and paste a story that I found online that was quite interesting for this topic. Paste as plain text, and I'm going to bold that again. So I now have my link, I now have my story. Now in my group we have to do opinions. There should be 3 of us in the group. So for instance, Jun will have to write his opinion, Jihan can write her opinion, and Son his opinion. And you know, you can type away here, maybe not on bold. Okay, I would suggest that your opinion is about 50 words each, maybe 150 words. It can go higher though. We can talk about that in class. Now those are the 3 things I'd like you to do, which is, pardon me, the link, the story, and the opinions. Now when you're happy with that, basically you can go down and you can add a file if you want, a photograph or something like that. You can say post to forum. Okay, so this then, your post is successfully added. You will have 30 minutes to edit if you want to make changes. Now you have 30 minutes. I'm going to change that to 1 hour. Okay, so you'll have 60 minutes to edit, and I'll change that before we start our course. But you can click on the topic here, and there you have your link and your story. Okay, and your opinion maybe. Now the other group will then reply to you. This will be your online chatting forum and so on. So you'll have an online conversation. But this is not all. In your story here, I want you to take 5 words, and I want you to create a dictionary for those 5 words, like a LinkedIn dictionary. So I'm going to take the word pregnant here. Okay. Now I'm going to maybe write down 5 words. So I'm going to write down pregnant, I'm going to write down station, I'm going to write down corridor, and a few other things. 5 words. Now what I want to do now is I'm going to go back to sample over here, and I'm going to click on glossary. Here I'm going to add a new entry. I'm going to create this, and the word was pregnant, isn't that right? Yeah. So I'm going to go to my dictionary here, and I'm going to type in, pardon me, if I can, pregnant. Right, I'm going to go to Merriam-Webster's. I like this one here. So the first thing I need is, it is an adjective. Okay, so I can go form, adjective. Cool. Now I need the pronunciation. Okay. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to copy this here, copy, and I'm going to paste it as plain text. Okay. Then I'm going to put in, what's next? Meaning or definition. And I'm just going to pick one that I think is important or for my context, my story, copy, and paste this in here. Okay, and then last one, I'm going to put in a sample, like a sample sentence. Again, I'm going to copy and paste this here. I think there's one down here. Yeah, she got pregnant soon after marriage. And I'm going to paste this in here. Okay, now I'm going to bold this, and I'm going to bold this, and I'm going to bold this. Now, what I could do as well, if I want to, is I could put pregnant here. I could maybe, let's highlight it, for instance, okay? Something like, she got pregnant soon after marriage. Now, when I go down here, I've got this auto-linking here. These should be clicked. I don't need to have this one clicked, but these, number 1 and number 2, definitely should be clicked. I'm going to click Save Changes. Now, you should see that I have started to create my glossary. You can see my name and when I made this word. So when I go back into my forum, my sample here, now when I click on sample topic, hopefully the word now is in a different color. And when I click on this word, a pop-up will come. And there it is, pregnant, form, pronunciation, meaning, and sample. So I need to do this, with 5 different words throughout this topic. Now sometimes, because this will be global throughout the whole website, I could also, if I want to make sure that these are my words, not someone else's words, I could go to pregnant here and I could highlight that in blue, for instance, okay? And when I save these, okay, now I know that it is definitely my word. Okay, blue is a terrible color. We could probably put maybe yellow or something like that, Yeah. So that definitely, our team did that, or we did that. Okay, but you can still click on it, and there you go. So your kind of idea is to create this. You put in a link, put in a story, put in your 3 opinions, and then kind of do link pop-ups with 5. Where's my camera? 5 words throughout your story. You must have 5, okay, as much as you can. The story can be as long as you want. I will add up another resource called breakingnewsenglish.com, which will, and there it is, breakingnewsenglish.com, which will give you different levels of different readings and so on. So it's kind of cool. Okay, so that's basically how you would, go to a topic, add a new discussion, and then when you get to the add a new discussion, put in your link, put in your story, put in your opinions, then you can go to the glossary and create your 5 words, and make sure you click those 2 little link buttons at the end, and then that will link all this vocabulary here. So basically you're helping the reader who's reading this, the other group, and they go, what's that word? And they can click on it and go, automatically there it is. They don't have to do neighbor. So it's a good way of building our own class vocabulary and helping each other learn throughout the process. Okay, that's really about it. I'm sure I'll make some more videos, but thank you very much. Bye.